Here's a really neat feature that can improve the audio quality and, well, basically sound from different locations when playing multiple audio sources at the same time. It's known as the Holo audio or Holo audio. Not sure how that's pronounced, but it's a really neat feature and you can try it out for yourself. It's found on OnePlus 12s and OnePlus 13s with Oxygen OS 15. Let's get started. To find this feature, you can use a quick access, tap on Settings, and from here, go down to where it says Sounds and Vibration. As you enter here, you'll be taken to this section here. Then go down until you pass where it says Sound Effects, and you're gonna go right here, Holo Audio, or is it Holo Audio? So go ahead and turn it on, and you'll notice you have the option to go with Auto and Custom, which is the spatial settings. Now, if you were wondering what happened to the spatial audio, which you might have had on your OnePlus 12 before the Android 15 update, this would be it right here. So it's a bit different layout, but basically the same thing. So once you go with the automatic one, you won't see anything else here. But if you go to custom, you can customize how the other features and sounds are going to sound for you. And that's that, my friends. Like and sub.